Strength is rising. Joy is being restored. Peace is being poured into the corners of your soul that have been dark for too long. The night may have been long, but dawn is breaking. The struggle is ending. The waiting is over. The miracle is near. Do not let fear speak louder than faith. Do not let doubt drown out the voice of God. You are standing at the threshold of destiny. You are on the edge of what looks like the impossible, but is in fact your appointed miracle. The very pressure you feel, the very pain you endure, is the preparation for something so great, so glorious, so divine, that you will look back and realize every tear, every loss, every trial was worth it. God is about to move in ways you cannot yet imagine. The blessing will come. The doors will open, the chains will fall, the darkness will flee, the storms will calm, and you will rise not by your own strength, but by the power of God Almighty. The same God who parted the seas, who called light out of darkness, who brought the dead back to life. He is moving in your life tonight. And when he moves, it will be unmistakable. It will be undeniable. You will know without a shadow of doubt that only he could have done it. So lift your voice, even if it trembles. Lift your heart, even if it is heavy. Lift your faith, even if it is small. Declare in the depths of your soul that God, I trust you. God, I believe you. God, I surrender everything to you. And watch as the heavens respond. Watch as your prayers, long held in silence, begin to find their answer. Watch as God takes what the enemy meant for harm and transforms it for your good. Watch as he turns your mourning into dancing, your sorrow into joy, your pain into power. Tonight is not just another night. Tonight is the night your struggle ends. Tonight is the night God shows up. Tonight is the night heaven touches earth in your life. The same Spirit that raised Jesus from the dead, the same hand that split the Red Sea, the same voice that commanded the storm to be still. And nothing can stand against his plan. The darkness you've walked through is fading. The weight you've carried is lifting. The impossible is becoming inevitable. And when you rise from this place, you will know that every trial, every tear, every long night was a step toward your destiny. Your breakthrough has been written in heaven from the beginning. Your miracle is appointed. Your victory is guaranteed because God himself is faithful. So stand tall. Lift your eyes to heaven. Declare with every fiber of your being, I will not fear, for God is with me. I will not doubt, for God has not abandoned me. I will not despair, for my help comes from the Lord. Repeat it until your heart believes it. Repeat it until your soul feels it. Repeat it until your spirit rises in triumph. For tonight, the struggle ends. You are about to witness the power of God in your life. You are about to feel the joy of answered prayers. You are about to walk in the fulfillment of promises long delayed. And when it happens, you will remember this night, not as the night you broke, but as the night everything changed. The night when heaven met earth, the night when your faith met God's power, the night when your life was forever transformed. God is coming. Your breakthrough is here. Your miracle is at hand. The weight is lifting. The chains are breaking. The doors are opening. The darkness is fleeing. Stand firm, stand tall, and trust him. The struggle ends tonight because God is stepping into your story. Nothing will ever be the same tonight. I want you to understand this truth. God does not delay without purpose. Every moment of waiting, every season of trial, every unanswered prayer has been carefully orchestrated by the God who created the universe with a word. The same God who formed the mountains and measured the seas has been arranging every detail of your life behind the scenes. He has seen your tears. He has counted your sighs. He has known the weight of your heart. And now his perfect timing has come. The struggle is not over because the world has changed, but because your spirit is aligned with the power of heaven. You are no longer relying on your own strength. You are no longer fighting alone. God himself is stepping in, and when he does, everything shifts. The chains that bound you are breaking. The storms that battered you are calming. The doors that refused to open are swinging wide. The ground that seemed barren will now bloom with the blessings of God. Some of you have doubted. Some of you have questioned. Some of you have wondered if your prayers even mattered. Hear me tonight. Every prayer mattered. Every silent moment of faithfulness mattered. God has recorded it all, and he is responding in a way that will leave no doubt that only he could have done it. The very forces that tried to defeat you will now bow to his plan. The very obstacles that seemed impossible will now testify of his power. Lift your eyes, my friend. Lift your voice. Lift your heart. The night that once seemed endless is now the threshold of your miracle. The darkness that threatened to consume you is now the canvas upon which God will display his glory. The sorrow that weighed you down will become the melody of your praise. The disappointment that once crushed you will become the evidence of his faithfulness. You are about to witness the impossible because the God who never fails is moving on your behalf. Do not down. Stand firm in the truth that God is in control. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are chosen. You are blessed. You are prepared. The same God who parted the Red Sea, who commanded the storm to be still, who brought life from the grave is with you now, and nothing can thwart his plan. The struggle ends tonight. Not because your circumstances are suddenly easy, not because the battle's vanished, but because your faith has reached a place where it can receive the fullness of God's power. Your heart is ready. Your spirit is ready. Your life is ready. And God himself is ready to move in ways that will leave you speechless. He is about to show up in a way that proves without question that he alone has been guiding every step, every delay, every trial. So stand, lift your hands, lift your eyes, lift your spirit. Declare with courage and conviction, God, I trust you. God, I believe you. God, I surrender all to you. And watch. Watch as heaven responds. Watch as your prayers, long delayed, are answered in abundance. Watch as the impossible becomes inevitable. Watch as your mourning turns into dancing, your sorrow into joy, your weakness into strength. Tonight, the power of God meets your moment of need. The breakthrough you have been waiting for is arriving. The favor you have been longing to see is manifesting. The doors that have been shut are opening. The chains that have held you are breaking. The darkness that tried to destroy you is becoming the stage for your testimony. Every setback, every disappointment, every moment of struggle is being transformed into glory. Lift your heart and hear this. The struggle ends tonight, not because your life is perfect, but because God is present. Not because everything is resolved, but because his Spirit is moving. Not because the battle is gone, but because the victory has already been declared. Your breakthrough is on the way. Your miracle is at the door. Your blessing is about to arrive. And when it does, you will know that heaven itself has intervened on your behalf. Stand firm. Stay strong. Keep your eyes on God. The night of struggle is ending. The dawn of divine favor is rising. The God who never fails is faithful. The God who has promised is true. The God who has been with you all along is now moving mightily in your life. Lift your head, lift your heart, and receive it. Your struggle ends tonight because God is here.